Come test drive the 2025 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, keyless entry, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.